Do you want to install Git on your Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and search Git. Now click on the first website. Once you get here, you will find the option Download for Windows. Select that. Now click on the Click here to download option. Wait for some time until Git is downloaded. After it has been downloaded, right-click on that and select the Open option. Now this is the public license. Here click on Next. Now you will need to select destination location. Select that and then click on Next. Here select the components, select them and then click on Next. Now select Start Menu folder, then click Next. Here choose the default editor used by Git, then click Next. Now here you want to select adjusting the name of the initial branch in new repositories. Select either Let Git decide or Override. Now click Next. Here you will have to adjust your path environment. I'm going to select the recommended one, then click on Next. Now choose the SSH executable. You can use bundled open SSH or use external open SSH, then click on Next. Now choose HTTPS transport backend, then select Next. Now here you want to select the configuring the line ending conversions options. Once you have selected your preferred one, click Next. Now select which terminal emulator do you want to use with your Git bash. Once you have selected it, click Next. Now select what should Git pull do by default. Select either fast forward or merge vbase or only ever fast forward and then click on Next. Now choose which credential helper should be configured, then select Next. Now select which features would you like to enable. After selecting, click on the Install option. Now the installation process will begin, so you will have to wait for some time. After that, simply click on the Finish option and Git will be successfully installed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.